The branded Kurkury truck waits outside the factory, ready for loading.
Bring the hand truck over here for the barrels.
Okay, I'll stack the paprika over there.
Careful with the oil.
Workers wash and clean the grains to prepare them for production. All grains enter the mixer, blended with perfect moisture.
The consistency looks good. We are right on target.
Perfect, let's keep it steady.
High heat and pressure form the unique twisted Kurkury shape.
The flow rate seems consistent now.
Yes, the moisture levels are optimal before the drop.
Kurkury pieces enter the dryer where moisture is reduced. Perfectly fried Kurkury exit the oil onto the cooling line. The cooling belt removes excess oil to keep them light and crunchy. The seasoning drum coats each Kurkury with the signature masala blend. Workers ensure every Kurkury is evenly covered with seasoning. Workers inspect each packet for leakage or packing defects. Branded Kurkury packets travel on the conveyor for final inspection. Workers carefully place every Kurkury packet into cartons.
Bring the next pallet up. Watch the side there. Stack them tight.
The Kurkury truck drives smoothly on the highway toward the city.
Watch your step with that one.
Don't worry, I got it. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, gentlemen.
I'll take this Kurkury. All right. That will be $3.